Hi, I'm Alex, and in this video I will show you how to create a recipe in CaterCloud. On the dashboard, select Manage Your Recipes, then click New Recipe. The page will now load into your recipe summary. Here, you can start to fill in the details, such as the name of the recipe, add in how many portions it will provide, and you can also add a description. The description will display when hovering over the recipe in your recipe list. Next, you can select Profile Ingredients, and you can now add your preparation and cooking times. As well as this, you can also apply a storage area. This is helpful for stock counting. You can now upload an image of your recipe. The next step is to add your ingredients from your store cupboard. Here you can add the unit and the quantity. You will see a selection of imperial and metric units here, as well as other useful measurements such as teaspoons, tablespoons and pinches. If you have chosen to include your own customizable additional conversions for an ingredient, these will also appear on the drop-down. You will now start to see that for each item that you add, the system will automatically total the price and the weight of the ingredients. You can also include recipes that you have previously made to use as sub-recipes. Once you have selected all your ingredients, you will now start to notice that the system adds any allergens that are included in your ingredient list. It also calculates the values of nutrition. Here you can toggle between per 100 grams, per portion, and per batch values. Scrolling down, you can now add your own HACCP plan. HACCP plans can be created in your account settings. You can now start to add a step-by-step method on how to create your recipe with a number of text functions such as bullet points, bold, and italics. Once you have finished typing your method, the basics of your recipe are now complete. Make sure to save any changes that have been made. Once saved, scroll back to the top of the page and add any dietary or miscellaneous tags. The dietary tags will highlight to the customer if the recipe is suitable for vegans, for example. Your miscellaneous tags will help you search for or filter by in your recipe list. You can now print or export the recipe card to a PDF document. This will detail all the elements of your recipe, including all the important information that you require. The recipe card template can be customized in your account settings to include as much or as little information as you like. Here is an example of a customized recipe card that excludes the pricing information. Finally, you can now print labels for your recipe, so you can store portions away to use another time. And that's all for this video. Should you require any further assistance or have any queries at all, feel free to contact us and we'll be happy to help.